Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. I have another lipstick video for you guys. Last time जो मैंने lipstick video किया था where I tried viral lipsticks on my bare skin, you guys really loved it and some of you requested that you usually wear matte lipsticks. So जो मैंने दिखाया था वो mostly तो glossy lipsticks था. So I heard you guys, that's what this video is about. जो भी मैं lipsticks दिखाने वाली हूँ आज matte lipstick होने वाला है. Again, I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm gonna try all of these on my bare face sitting in front of my big window, so no artificial lighting. I'm just using the natural light. So yeah, thoda agar background mein color variation hua, that's because I'm not using any artificial light. So bear with me, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
The first lipstick I want to talk about is by Plum. It's their 126 Upside Brown lipstick. It's a creamy matte lipstick and the color is a beautiful reddish brown color, almost like a nude brown, and it's a perfect lipstick for an everyday wear. This is my absolute favorite. It glides on your lips really good. It's a creamy matte formula, so it glides creamy and then it sets matte. And this is how it looks like on my lips. I feel this is such a perfect color. It will look good on light fair skin. It will look good on medium skin tone as well. And it will look really great on deeper, darker skin tone. Universally, it's gonna look beautiful on all skin tones, and I think this is a must-have in your vanity. After it sets matte, it's very comfortable on my lips. I don't even feel like I have lipstick on my lips, and it does not settle in those cracks and stuff. So yeah, very beautiful application and it looks really good. As you can see, it does not transfer a lot. It's like very minimal transfer. If I'm in a mood for a matte lipstick, then this is definitely my go-to lipstick for an everyday wear kind of stuff. The next lipstick I want to talk about is by Faye. It's their Lip Whip in the shade Safe Word. I absolutely love the packaging of this product, and it does come with a wand, and this is how the shade looks like. It's a beautiful muted rose pink color. Let's try it on. Now this is supposed to be a liquid matte lipstick, but the texture is more of a creamy moussey formula, and then it's supposed to dry matte. But the shade, the color is so freaking beautiful and it matches my natural lips so well. This is definitely my lips but better kind of a lipstick, and I can see this becoming my favorite go-to lipstick for sure. Talking about the color again, I feel this is such a universal, beautiful shade for all Indian skin tones. This is gonna look good on fair, medium, deeper skin tone. Deeper, I feel this is definitely gonna look more of a nude, like a pinky nude shade for them. And if you're fair, it's definitely gonna look a little bit more vibrant, more pink, but nonetheless, it's a beautiful shade, and I feel this is definitely something that everyone must have in their vanity. Like, grab this one. Agar isme se koi bhi lena rahega, grab this one. It's a beautiful one. But the thing I absolutely love about this lipstick is how comfortable it is on my lips. I genuinely feel like I have no lipstick on my lips. It feels hydrated and does not feel drying, especially for a matte lipstick, but this is definitely a very good formula. I'm definitely gonna try more shades in this lip range. The next lipstick I want to talk about is by Masaba. It's their Love Child Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 05 Hukum. First of all, I really like the packaging. Love the fun element of the cap. It has a glass, very premium bottle, and it does come with a wand. And look at that beautiful color. It's definitely a true chocolate brown color. Now, I don't have anything like this in my vanity, and I freaking love it. Now, as mentioned, it's supposed to be matte, and yep, it truly is very matte. Now let's talk about the application and texture of the product. As you see in the video, it is quite a vibrant color, so I would suggest use a lip liner with this. It's a liquid matte, so it glides on your lips really well. It has a little bit of a creamy moussey texture, and I feel you definitely have to be a little bit careful while applying this. थोड़ा भी यहाँ वहाँ चला गया तो it will be very much visible. Apply a lip liner with this. After application, it does feel very comfortable on my lips, but it is a tad bit heavy on my lips. Talking about the color, it's a stunning true chocolate brown color, and for someone like me who is like fairer to medium fair skin tone, it's definitely gonna be very popping and more of a popping vibrant color on them, and I don't mind it. It's looking absolutely beautiful. But someone who has a deeper skin tone, I think this is gonna be a perfect nude for them. So it's gonna look universally beautiful on all Indian skin tones, I feel. But it's such a pretty color. I don't have anything like this in my vanity and I love it. Moving on to the next lipstick I want to talk about is by Makeup Revolution. It's their IRL Whipped Lip Cream in the shade Burnt Cinnamon. Now when I heard the shade name Burnt Cinnamon, I thought this was gonna be more of like a brown burnt cinnamon, but this is definitely more of like a rose, very light faint rose pink color. So I definitely thought the shade नाम है वो मैच नहीं कर रहा है शेड से. So yeah, this is how the shade looks like. It's a very pretty you know, that dainty, very delicate light pink color, and it looks very pretty on my lips. I'm not complaining about the shade, but I feel like the shade name doesn't match the shade that they have sent. So I really like the packaging. It's very sleek, matte, and it does have a wand applicator. Let's talk about the application and texture of the product. Now this is supposed to be a whipped lip cream, and as you can see the application, it just glides on my lips like butter. So the texture is very smooth, like a creamy velvet formula. It is very comfortable on my lips. It does not feel drying or it does not feel very heavy. It's not extremely lightweight, but yeah, it is not heavy at all. It's not drying, and I feel it's not like matte. It's more of like a velvety, creamy formula. I don't think it sets absolute matte, but it is a matte looking lipstick, I would say. The next lipsticks I want to talk about is by Tint Cosmetics. I have two shades. The first one is Toffee and the second one is Plum. ये दो shades में से भी जो मेरा सबसे favorite shade है, that one is Toffee, and I love this shade. ये almost खत्म हो चुका है because मैं every single day लगाती हूँ इसे. This is truly my go-to lip shade on an every single day when I'm not wearing any makeup. I just need to head out to run an errand. This is the lipstick I go for, and ये एक्चुअली खत्म हो चुका है. ट्राई ऑन में भी आप देख सकते हो कि ये ऑलमोस्ट एम्प्टी हो रखा है, एंड मैं फिर भी आपको दिखाने के लिए थोड़ा ट्राई करके दिखा रही हूँ. द शेड इज सो फ्रिकिन प्रिटी. इट्स लाइक अ न्यूड ब्राउन, I would say. It's a very like a nudie brown shade, and I absolutely love this. It just brightens up my skin. It just complements my skin so freaking good. I love this one. Definitely grab this one. I'm sorry ये खत्म हो चुका है तो मैं आपको ठीक से दिखा नहीं पा रही हूँ. Truly ये शेड बहुत ही ज़्यादा beautiful है. Just swipes beautifully on my lips. Very comfortable and it's beautiful. Just grab this one. And this one is Plum. एक बार दिखा देती हूँ आप लोगों को मैं कि ये शेड कैसा है. ये खत्म नहीं हुआ है. So this is the shade. It's a beautiful pink. Yeah, I would call it. It's like a guava. Yeah, it's like a pink guava. और इसका शेड नेम भी काइंड ऑफ वैसा ही है. एंड ये भी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल. आई थिंक इसके ऊपर ही मैं आपको पहन के दिखाती हूँ कि ये कैसा है कलर. सो विद दिस less is more. I just like to take a tiny amount of this and just all over my lips, and it just looks so beautiful with both the lipsticks. By the way, tint इसका actually अच्छा है, बस ये अभी खत्म हो गया तो ये दिख नहीं रहा है. And just give it some time and it will dry matte. This will last you for not more than 3 to 4 hours. Long lasting तो नहीं है, but colors और shades ये range में बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. And these two are one of my favorites, and Toffee सबसे favorite है तो वो तो ज़रूर लेना. So yeah. The last lipstick I want to talk about is by Maybelline in the shade 06 NoHo Amber. It's in a bullet lipstick format, and look at that beautiful shade. It's a beautiful brick red color. एवरीडे वेयर काइंड ऑफ लिपस्टिक में सब लोगों को न्यूड लिपस्टिक्स ही नहीं पसंद आता, कुछ लोगों को रेड लिपस्टिक्स भी पसंद आता है. सो आई डेफिनेटली वांटेड टू शेयर अ मैट लिपस्टिक दैट I like to wear on an everyday basis in a little modified way, and I'm gonna show you guys how. But this is such a stunning brick red color. I love that it pulls a little bit more of the blue, so it's a beautiful red color for any Indian skin tone. Application wise, it just glides on my lips. It's a very creamy velvety formula. just glides like a butter. So application is very very easy. I would highly recommend अगर आप सिर्फ ऐसे ये bold lip color use कर रहे हो then use a lip liner. But I like to just dab a slight amount of this and rub it with my fingers to get a very light, like a rouge on my lips. And this is how it looks like. Still, if I feel it's a little too much, then I'll take a tissue and dab it on. But this is the final result and I really like it. Okay, ये मैं दिखाने नहीं वाली थी, but I just wanted to mention it because it's such a beautiful color. So this is by Mars Lip Mist in the shade 04 Deep Sea. This is a lip tint. It's not a lipstick, it's a lip tint, but it's such a beautiful lip tint, and this one sets matte, so that's the reason I wanted to show you guys. It's a beautiful deep red color. Just look at that beautiful color. So I think this is gonna be like a perfect everyday wear kind of a lipstick. I am more of a lip tint kind of a person that does leave a little bit of tint as well. So even though the lipstick kind of fades off, the tint remains, right? Wow, just look at that shade. अगर आपको वो Korean lip trend भी करना रहेगा ना, this is a perfect lipstick for that. With a nude lipstick and just this in the inner corners, it's gonna look so freaking stunning. But I really like to wear this, like only slight amount of it all over my lips as an everyday wear. So I just wanted to give it a shout out. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. जितने भी लिपस्टिक मैंने ये वीडियो में दिखाए हैं, सारे के सारे लिंक्स मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी. Do not forget to check them out. I'll also put my storefront link जहाँ पर आपको सारे प्रोडक्ट्स एक जगह पे मिल जाएंगे, so you don't have to search around. And yeah, with that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.